So what are you going to do with the bun?
We're going to fill it with a beef and bean smoky. So this is a bit of our plant forward approach. So very similar to a chili con carne, but what we've done is use British mince. We've just reduced the quantity of beef mince that we're using by 25%. Rather than kidney beans, not everybody's a lover of kidney beans, but I've just done a simple swap out with a humble baked bean.
Oh, lovely.
There's some oreganos, loads of smoked paprika, some cumin, some ground coriander, humble tin of chopped tomatoes, little bit of tomato paste, some allergen-free bouillon, and just allowed that to simmer. So really super easy. And then we can just serve that with a yogurt and mayo dressing that's got a little bit of garlic in there for a bit of punch, and some fresh herbs. So I'll pop and get the bun toasted. I'm gonna add a little bit of rocket to the base. Let me just check which is the base.
That happens to me every time, doesn't it? If not, you've got your bun upside down.
That's it. And this base mix can also lend itself to like a nacho. And then we'll just finish off with some of the allergen-free yogurt and mayo.
Yes, the garlic and the herbs from that will come through as well, won't they?
Right, let's have
Flag.
a flag, because that's all important.
It is, and for me, I think the flags, the paper, just the way people signpost, so
Yes.
everybody knows that this is the gluten-free, the allergen-free.
And
it is about clear communication on your menu all the way through, from the kitchen to the
To the front of
servery.
house.
I think it's really important when people are offering dishes that are free of the 14 allergens, that they really look at their processes, their staff are well trained, but it's about looking at their operation and perhaps doing an internal audit just to check everything's in place and everyone knows what's happening.
It's just thinking through the whole process, isn't it? And we're really pleased that Breaks have signed up with Anaphylaxis UK, so we're working with them in partnership. And they've got some fantastic resources online. So for any of our caterers that haven't considered catering for those with allergens or wheat and gluten intolerances, that's a great starting point just to broaden your own knowledge so that you can implement some changes, because everybody needs to be included, because we don't want people to go hungry, and particularly for those that are studying incredibly hard at university.
And also it's really easy for them to self-choose from the menu, because they're meeting new people, they don't want it to all be about their dietary needs, so it's about making it really easy so they can self-choose at the counter, pick stuff up, and support and make sure it's inclusive for everybody.
And everybody enjoys their food at the end of the day, because that's really important as well, isn't it? Fab. Thanks, Lou.
Thank you.